Dear students, after the explanation of Newton's first law of motion, today I am going to give you few examples from our everyday life where Newton's first law of motion is applied, which is known as applications of Newton's first law of motion in our daily life, in our everyday life. There are so many incidents which we feel in our daily life. First is here. A passenger bends backward when a stopped bus suddenly starts to move. If a bus is stopped, a person sitting inside the bus, when the bus suddenly starts to move, a person sitting inside the bus or train or maybe other means of transportation bend backward. The person gets a backward jerk, bend backward. Why? This is the daily life observation. It is also based on the Newton's first law of motion. What will be the answer of this question? Before starting, the bus as well as passengers are in the inertia of rest. Before starting, when the bus is stopped, the bus as well as passenger are in the inertia of rest. When suddenly bus starts to move, the bus comes to inertia of motion. But passenger want to remain in the inertia of rest. That's why passenger bends backward. If this is the question carrying 1 mark, your answer will be this happens due to the change of inertia. This is the answer. But if this question carry 2 or 3 marks, so you have to give the explanatory answer like this, which I have explained just now. I am repeating again the answer. Before starting, bus and passenger are in the inertia of rest. When suddenly driver starts the bus comes to the inertia of motion. But the passengers want to remain in the inertia of rest. That's why she gets a backward jerk. Similar thing happen where bus is moving. There will be question. A passenger bends forward. In place of backward, here will be a passenger bends forward. When a moving bus, not a stopped bus, when a moving bus suddenly stopped. Moving bus suddenly stopped by the driver by applying the brake. In such condition, a passenger sitting in the bus bend forward. This means the passenger gets a forward jerk. Why? Answer will be in the similar manner which I have explained just. When bus is moving, the bus and passenger are in the inertia of motion. When the driver stops it suddenly, the bus comes in the inertia of rest. But the passenger wants to remain in the inertia of motion. Passenger wants to remain in the inertia of motion. That's why passenger gets a forward jerk. Passenger bends forward. And all of you observe this type of the event in our everyday life. When you travel from Supaul to Saharsa, Patna or anywhere, either by bus or by train. So this is the applications of Newton's first law of motion in our daily life. There are so many examples. When we beat a blanket hanging with a pole or any wire with a stick, what happens? The dust particles gets detached and fall on the earth. When we shake the branch of tree, the fruits fall on the ground. Why? Same answer, due to change of inertia. Before shaking the branch of the tree, fruit and branch are in the inertia of rest. When the branch is shaken vigorously, the branch comes in the inertia of motion, but fruits wants to remain in the inertia of rest. That's why get detached and fall on the earth. All these questions carry only one answer, due to change of inertia, either from inertia of rest to motion or inertia of motion to rest. In this way, you can give lot of examples and their explanatory answer regarding the questions based on Newton's first law of motion. Thanks. That's all.